I got this BMW 535D. It's a 2015 diesel, and it's got check engine light on. We've got faults for two of the sensors in the exhaust. One is an oxygen sensor and one is a particulate matter sensor. We did make a video on the different sensors and the positions on this car, and so I did get some sensors. They finally showed up. We decided to go with the aftermarket sensors that are from China. So I'm very, very excited to try these because they look identical to the ones that we took off or going to take off. I'll grab them here in a second and show you, but right now we're just gonna change this one. So this is our particulate matter sensor right here. And I've got some of the screws off. We just need to get, there's our module right there. So piece of cake. Just a couple plastic nuts, gonna take that off and we'll swap this out. And yeah, I'm gonna grab that sensor and show you. Okay, little security lock, pop that off maybe. Or break my fingernail, one or the other. I got the 24 mil socket. This is like a 12 point and a 6 point half-inch drive on there. But that's the one that I use for the particulate matter sensor. There's two different sizes. This one and then also the smaller 24, no, sorry. I think it's a 19 maybe? No. Yeah, 24 and 19 or 24 and 21, I don't know. Either which way. We're just gonna go take these, we'll get this clip off here. Okay, now we gotta get these 10 mil plastic nuts off. I think they're 10, maybe they're 11. Yeah, they're 10. Actually, you know what? This one I don't even think we need to, I think it just slides off. Yeah, you just pull those plastic tabs up on the side. And then we got, yep, just like that. Cool. So get this out like so. Okay. Now let's go compare these. This one with our other one. There you go, you can see there's our OEM right off the car. And then we've got our knockoff one, or supposedly knockoff, I don't know. You can see on the side here, so from the BMW one, we got the BMW logo stamped there. And then it says Bosch, made in Germany. We got a part number, EGS-PM2. I think that's just like the series of it, or the Super Session. And then this one is Hyundai Kia, also Bosch, made in Germany. And then we have EGS-PM 2.1, so it may be like a newer edition. But they look identical, and they're identical in size, all that stuff. The part numbers are supposedly compatible from what I could see. So this Kia Hyundai application may just run the exact same circuit board and operating parameters as the BMW one. So, I mean, they look identical. So we're gonna put it in, we're gonna put it to the test. The BMW one was like 800 bucks. and this one was, I think it was like 130 bucks. So a lot less, and if it works, save yourself a ton of money. All right, so the length is, the new one is like a little bit longer by like 5 inches maybe. So not a big deal, but
Better than shorter.
yeah. All right, let's get this thing started up in here. Beautiful, comes with some anti-seize already on the threads, like most oxygen sensors and particulate matter sensors and NOx sensors. So, okay, we got that in there just snug. I'm just going to wrap this around this other harness. This is just kind of how it was like when I originally took it off the first time. It was just wrapped around. So I'll zip tie it and secure it later. We'll stick this up under here. Okay, we're plugged in. We're good to go. Secured in place. I guess I think I'm pretty much just gonna like leave this just like this for now, and I'll lower the car down and start it up, and we'll clear the faults and see what happens. When I cleared the faults before, the light came back on like immediately. So, okay, so here's the fault codes that we've got here. 2BA100, particulate sensor, diagnosis, response, temperature measurement, electrical fault. So basically I'm guessing like heater circuit maybe. And then also 285-400, oxygen sensor after cat, signal voltage too high or signal adjustment current, open circuit. I'm just gonna clear these. Okay, so I'm just zip tying up this harness right now and getting everything buttoned back up. We cleared the fault codes, nothing immediately returned, which was good. So we're one step in the right direction. And yeah, I'm just gonna neatly zip tie everything up so that it's not dangling down or gonna get caught on anything or anything like that. So once we do that, we'll get this shield back up, take it for a drive. Oh, we just took it for a nice drive. We're back at the shop now, and no check engine light on, drove great. Scan tool data, everything looked real good. So no more dropping out. That oxygen sensor was dropping out, and yeah, all is good. So take it for another drive tomorrow. I got to put an axle in this thing and just make sure everything's cool. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out the link in the descriptions below for the sensors if you're looking to save a bunch of money, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.